So yo guys, welcome. So before we start, hit that subscribe button and like the video. So we're in grow a garden too, and when dude, I forgot what I want to say. When it's night, I could steal to someone. It's literally fair. It's literally free. So I want to rob the black guy. That black guy. Then we go at this seed shop. And just to buy this one. I think I want to buy the milk. But I want to buy apple seed. But it won't restock, dude. Okay. Let's see. I want to buy this frog. Dude. What does this evil frog do? Okay, let's clean that. It's gonna be night. Let's sell this. Then let's get back to my base. And yeah, dude. This guy. Dude. Dude, I need to steal from him. Here, take my hammer. Take this. Shovel. Dude, I cannot even do that. But he's the one who has stuck base. So this. Dude, that's not even stuck. Dude, what is this? What happened? Oh, rainbow seeds. Let's go to my garden. Wait, dude, the seed restock. Dude, I should buy those. Oh, here is it. Rainbow seed. This is carrot. Is this carrot? Oh, rainbow seed. But I think it's a carrot. Oh, here is it. Bang. I want to take that carrot, but someone gonna take it. Alright, I'm feeling lucky today. So, oi, it's night time, right? So, I could steal to this black guy, but he doesn't even gonna notice. Dude. Where's the last seed? I need this. My mom is kinda homeless. Yeah. Oh, dude. It's okay. We got rainbow seed and it's 2, dude. Please. Super seed. What is it? Dude, really? I get that? Dude. I thought that was good. Nah, dude. I'm very unlucky at this game. We should wait until the next night time so I could steal that black guy. Sell inventory. Yeah. Dude, let's buy something here. What do we have here? Oh my gosh, dude. The neighbor baby is crying again. Ooh, dude. This is big. Okay, let's plant apple seed here. Wait, dude. When I plant this, do I get rainbow crops too? That's the thing. Because I don't even know. Okay, what is this? Dude, really, the corn growing very tall? Sell this. Sell inventory. I want to buy a pet. This. But I think I want to buy the... There's a bee. But I want to buy the pet's bunny. Let's try to expand my lot. Ooh, what? Ooh. This is cool. Wait. Do the sprinkler method is available here? Nah. Available? Dude, that's messed up. Okay, let's try to climb my big tree and this big head. I think that's a big head. Okay, it starts growing. Oh, really big. Okay. My tomatoes gonna grow. Super stuck. I don't care. Yeah, dude. Expand lot. Okay. Sell inventory. Dude. Someone is pushing me. Okay. Seeds. I want a lot of bamboo. Because I am a bumblebee. Bumblebee. Dude. Do they have game passes? Dude, this is suck. Ghost pepper pack. Really? I think I want to play. Wrap any people in veins. No, dude. They don't have free. I am broke, guys. See this. When I try to buy this, it show I am 0 Robux. I'm broke. I don't have money. Nah, just kidding. I'm real broke. but in Roblox I'm broke. But in real life, I am broke too. It's just the same, dude. Okay, Rambo. Oh, dude, harvesting is very sucks. Dude, let's sell this. This will make me a lot of money. Alright, let's see the gear shop. What do we have here? Dude, really? 2K for watering can? Nah, I won't buy that. Dude, I won't really buy that. It's really expensive, dude. It's really expensive. I won't even buy that, dude. Oh, I accidentally. Dude, they buy two. Just kidding. I really want to buy that. My crops are not growing very well. Alright. Dude. We should do this. What happens if I do this? The shovel will permanently remove this from your garden. No, I don't. Actually, this is not making me lot crops, so let me dig it up. And this too. It's not making me a lot of money, dude. Strawberry, I think it's making me well. Dude, it's gonna be night. But I still really want to rob the black guy. I don't know why. Oh, wait a minute. Dude, he's trying to rob me. She's trying to rob me, dude. Dude, the black guy is there. I could not even. This girl is want to rob me. So I think I would rob her. Garden unlock. Lock. Oh, so why? Oh, that's why. When someone trying to steal me at night, so that's why I have to build some protection. I do that. Take this. Dude, I'm so lag. I would say my Wi-Fi at junction. Yay. Fly away, fly. You cannot steal at me. Oh, apple, rainbow. Dude, why apple grow in here? In this? Oh, it's apple tree. I thought it's tomato. Gosh. Dude. Alright, sell all inventory. Alright, we should buy some new seeds. Oh wait a minute. I think I could buy the pet. Where is the pet? Where is it? Where is it? Where is my bunny? Oh, there's the bunny. Oh, dude. Holy crap. Alright. I think I should end this video. So subscribe if you want part 2. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Don't forget that. Alright, peace out. Bye-bye.